If your BMW X7 is failing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't worry, we can get your wireless connection back in under 3 minutes. Statistically, 80% of persistent CarPlay issues are solved by clearing the saved handshake between your iDrive system and your iPhone. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to force a fresh handshake. Start by deleting the BMW profile from your iPhone settings, removing the device from iDrive, and performing a hard reboot of the infotainment unit. Check for common software conflicts including active VPNs, outdated iOS versions, or accidentally disabled Siri permissions. If it still fails, dive into your screen time settings to ensure CarPlay isn't being restricted by your privacy configurations. Most issues are software side, but if you have tried everything and it still won't connect, you may be looking at a hardware module failure. As you can see, resetting your phone and updating your iDrive software accounts for the vast majority of successful repairs. For advanced issues, check that your BMW ID is active and visit your dealer to request a telematics system remote reset. Keep your toolkit simple. Ensure your phone settings are optimized and the BMW Connected app is fully updated on your device. Remember, technology is great until it stops talking to your car, but patience and a clean reset usually bridge the gap. Did this fix your X7 connection? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more BMW troubleshooting guides.